Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain the installation process of your Roborock Q7 L5 robot vacuum cleaner. You can get the information to connect this device with your Wi-Fi network. Let's start. Press and hold the power button on the Roborock Q7 L5 robot vacuum. Wait until the power indicator light is steady white, and then place the robot to the dock. Now, search for Roborock in the App Store or Google Play. You can scan the QR code to download and install the app. Open the Roborock app. Here, you need to create an account. To create an account, you need to select your country and then type the phone number. Now, it will send a confirmation code to your phone number. Put the code in the box to confirm. Then, tap Next. You can also register with your email. After login, tap the icon to add a device and enable location permission. Now, it will detect nearby devices and add your Roborock Q7L5 robot vacuum cleaner. Select your home Wi-Fi and input your Wi-Fi password. Sometimes, it can take around 1 minute to connect. If you are facing any issue to connect your Roborock Q7L5 robot vacuum with the Wi-Fi network, then you can reach us. We will provide the complete assistance. Thanks for watching.